Hello everyone, this is SAMM project demo video, and now I'm going to show you general user experience workflow. As you know, SAMM is model for Safe Global Multisig. So let's go to Safe Global UI. Here you can see our demo multisig. And now let's add SAMM model to it. Go to application, custom application, and here we need to add custom application. Insert link to our UI. Open SAMM application. Here we need to insert all needed model data, and after that we can create it. Model name demo, email addresses, use some test addresses, threshold 1, and relay email address, use default one. Click create model. Confirm transaction and wait when transaction is mined. Now we need to confirm authorization signature. On second step, we need to enable SAMM model for our safe multisig. Let's enable it. And finally, transaction is executed and our SAMM model is enabled. Here you can see Safe Owner dashboard. We can see all members of this SAMM model. We can delete members, and also we can add new member. For example, let's add this email. Fine, transaction is executed and the new member is added. You can see this new member on list of emails. Next section is restriction. Here we can change allowed actions list. For example, let's add some allowed action. We want to interact with this contract address, and also we need contract ABI. Now our SAMM model can interact with this address and can call function with such selector. Last section is settings. Here we can change relay email address, threshold value, and the key registry address too. Okay, now we have SAMM model which is initialized, and let's go to member UI. After SAMM model initialization, each member of the SAMM receives email with password for member dashboard. Let's log in with this password. Now we can see all SAMM models which are available for this email address. Let's choose our new created SAMM with name demo. Actually, there are two main sections: transactions section and the TX helper. Let's build some transaction. use our test contract address, and it's AB, and we want call function. In order to execute this transaction, we need to send an email message to SAMM aware with such subject and such message. Let's do it. Copy both values and go to email client. Okay, now we can see our transaction in confirmed section. As our SAMM model has threshold value equals 1, we reach threshold with only one signature, and our transaction is executed without waiting for other members' approval. If there is some transaction that requires additional approval, you can see it in pending transaction section. Now let's see that our transaction is actually executed. Yes, we can see it here. That's all that I want to show you in this demo video. Please check description of this video. There you can find links to our documentation and user guide. Thanks a lot for your attention.